You've seen all the motivational content, felt pumped up, then crashed. Why? Because you've never truly gone through fire. This is your reset. 30 days, no scrolling, no excuses, just discipline. Step 1, cut the noise. Delete the apps that waste your time. Dump the snacks. If it gives you pleasure without effort, it's gone. Write this down. Comfort is your biggest trap. Step 2, become the machine. Cold shower, no hesitation. Train without distractions. Every night, write 3 things: what you avoided, what you crushed, and what's next. Step 3, embrace silence. No background noise, no fake hype. Face your thoughts. Say what you've been hiding. Do that one hard thing. This is where most break. Step 4, go full beast. 48 hours, no phone, no screens, just walking, journaling, and facing your shadows. Push harder, think deeper, grow darker. Whisper this: I'm not who I used to be. Still here? Type day 1 below, then vanish. Come back when no one recognizes you.